Welcome to my channel Genie Genius. Get ready to dive into 50 mind-bending would you rather questions that will test your choices and spark some serious fun. Are you ready? Let the challenge begin. Own a private jet or own a mega yacht? Eat gourmet sushi or eat luxury steak? Mansion in Beverly Hills or penthouse in New York City? Drive a Lamborghini or drive a Rolls-Royce? Indulge in high-end dessert like macarons or chocolate truffles? Wardrobe designed by Gucci or wardrobe designed by Chanel? Be on the cover of a top fashion magazine or featured in a luxury brand ad campaign? Get daily luxury massages or daily yoga classes with a private instructor? Attend the Oscars or attend the Met Gala? Have a personal chef or have a personal stylist? Spend a week on a private island or spend a week at a luxury sky resort? Have front row seats at a Hollywood premiere or have a VIP pass to Coachella? Wear diamond jewelry or wear gold accessories? Stay in a 5-star hotel or luxurious countryside villa? Own a designer handbag collection or own a luxury watch collection? Go on a luxury shopping spree in Paris or go on a luxury shopping spree in Milan? Have a home theater or have an infinity pool? Travel first class everywhere or have a chauffeur-driven car at home? Dine at a Michelin star restaurant or host an extravagant dinner party? Have a private concert by your favorite artist or have a meet and greet with a Hollywood celebrity? Have unlimited spa treatments or have a personal gym with a trainer? Own a collection of rare cars or own a luxury real estate worldwide? Have a closet full of couture or have a library of rare books? Have a luxury safari adventure in Africa or have a private villa in Bali? Own a vineyard in Tuscany or own a private beach in the Maldives? Be gifted a rare piece of art or a custom designed diamond necklace? Live in a glass house overlooking the ocean or live in a castle in Europe? Have a butler or have a private security team? Host a gala with celebrities or attend an exclusive royal event. Own a luxury skincare brand or own a luxury clothing line. Have an unlimited budget for luxury travel or unlimited funds for shopping. Have a closet full of luxury sneakers or have a high-end heels. Wear designer clothes or luxury watches. Shop from Gucci or shop from Louis Vuitton. Own an exotic pet or own a rare vintage car. Have a robotic smart home or have a home decorated with antiques. Own a rare diamond or own a rare luxury watch. Receive a priceless heirloom or check for $1 million. Wear all black luxury outfits forever or wear all white luxury outfits forever. Wear designer traditional clothes or wear high-end western outfits. Always wear gold accented clothes or silver accented clothes. Always have a sleek bun or have a soft beach waves. Wear luxury hair accessories or always have flawless hairstyles without them. Wear colorful statement shoes or sleek neutral ones. Drink only premium coffee or freshly squeezed exotic juices. Wear only leather jackets or cashmere sweaters. Endless luxury scarves or high-end handbags. Fit clothes or loose clothes. Have a sleek, polished ponytail or have a voluminous updo. Have the perfect pair of leather boots or suede loafers. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.